morning, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed teachers and my wonderful classmates. My name is Vishwas and I proudly represent grade 4. It's an absolute pleasure to standing before you here today. Mechanics. It's not about nuts and bolts. It's like a puzzle. It's all about discovering the hidden pieces and figuring out how they fit together. I started playing mechanics when I was 8. Initially, I found it to be difficult in order to create any model with given tools. So when I try again and again, now I'm able to do some of the models which I used to make. My first activity, fan working wheels. In this model, I used one fan, two wheels and one bend shaft. If two wheels are not in contact and I spin the bend shaft, nothing will happen. And when wheels are in contact and I spin the bend shaft, the fan starts to spin. It is nothing but mechanics. Now I'll talk about real mechanics and some mechanical engineer. Alexander Graham Bell. He invented telephone in 1876. John Logie Bell. He invented television in 1926 that could broadcast moving objects. Albert Einstein. He was the finest physicist of all time and he also developed quantum mechanics. James Watt. He is known for improvements in the steam engine. Now I'll talk about 3 inventions. Mechanical clock. Have you seen those clocks with moving gears and hands?
Yes.
That's a mechanical clock. And it's a special kind of clock that helps us to keep track of time. Do you know how does it work? Mechanical clock has lot of gears that turn and make the clock hand move. Do you know why does it special? Mechanical clock is special because it is have for a long time and it doesn't use electricity to work. Keep an eye out for a mechanical clock. You might have seen some history right in front of your eyes. Wind turbine. You might have seen tall structure with 3 giant fans. That's a wind turbine and it's a special kind of turbine that help us to make wind energy into electricity. Do you know how does it work? When wind blows, it makes the blade spin around. The spinning blade turns the spinning generator, creates wind into electricity that can help us to power our schools, homes and even our toys. Do you know why wind turbines are special? Wind turbines are special because they are helping us to make our world greener and cleaner. And they don't produce harmful gases like other power plants. Unlike other sources, coal or oil, wind energy doesn't run. So we can use it again and again. Where you can find wind turbines? You can find wind turbines in big fields called wind farms or also offshore called offshore wind farms. Wind turbines are helping us to make our world cleaner, greener and beautiful. Third, Model T. Do you know what is Model T? Model T is first car ever made that everyone could afford. It was made by smart Dave Henry Ford. Do you know how it look? Model T look different from cars we see today. It is not as fancy but still really cool. It's like a big black box with wheels and steering in the front. Do you know why does it special? Model T is special because it is the first car that everyone could afford. It was made by Henry Ford, smart name. It was very expensive before and rich people could have them. So Henry Ford figured out how to make cars cheaper and faster. This means he will make cars faster, cheaper and quickly and sell them for less money. Model T is like a magical car that is helping us to make our world a little bit smaller. Considering mechanics, we can work on models that can help us to do work easy. I'll work on models that can help us to travel one place to another. We have already options for this. If you travel through air, we can use airplane and helicopter. If you travel through water, we can use boat or ship. If you want to travel through road, we can use cars and jeep. But I will try to make one model that can work on land, air, and water. Let's learn and make our world cleaner. Thank you.